Welcome to the Volza tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore the dashboards of Volza. Dashboards are user-friendly interfaces that give you clear, comprehensive insights into your business data. Let's move on the next slide to know more about dashboard and graphs. To begin, open any previously saved workspace. Click on My Workspace, then select a recent query you previously applied. Once you click on the workspace name, you'll be redirected to the Detailed Search tab. Once you will click on Consignee, you can view detailed insights about buyers, consignees. Here you can see top 25 consignees, which includes average unit price, total quantity, total value record count tax. Here we can see the relationship in between of buyer and suppliers on the basis of value, STD quantity, and record counts. Now let's move to the top 15 consignee. This combined chart shows standard quantity and average per unit price. It will help you to understand: who are my largest buyers in terms of quantity? How consistently do they buy? It's especially useful for managing production planning and forecasting. Next is top 15 consignee on value USD and average per unit price. This gives you insights such as which buyers generate the highest revenue, which buyers pay higher prices per unit. It helps you identify high-value and strategic customers. Through this pie chart, we can see top 15 consignee by value in USD and standard quantity. In simple terms, it tells you how much each buyer contributes to your total business, who your top influential buyers are. This chart is great for understanding dependency on key buyers. Let's come to top 5 consignees by average unit price. This helps you quickly identify which buyers pay higher or lower prices, pricing patterns. This is all about the bar chart. Next, come to the top 15 consignee shipment tax to percent TAR, where you can see the top companies paid the highest tax. Now let's come to the top 5 consignee VLAU USD by month. Now let's move to customize any graph charts. Click on the settings icon and select the chart type of your choice. In the next slide, you will get the different type of charts. Once you will click on the chart type, you will get the option of multiple charts: one-line chart 2, pie chart 3, combined chart 4 bar, chart 5 column chart. Next is the Shipper tab, which works similarly to the Consignee tab. This section provides valuable insights about various shippers, including average unit price, total quantity, total invoice value, number of shipment records. These metrics help you make informed business decisions. Here you can see the relationship in between of supplier and buyer. Next, move to the graphical dashboard. Top 15 shippers chart, a combined chart showing standard quantity and average per unit price. This chart shows top 15 shipper by value USD and average per unit price. Next is market share pie chart, shows market share by value and standard quantity. This is bar chart, which highlights the top 5 shipper shipments average price USD by units. Next is can see top 15 shipper shipments tax percent. Let's move on. Trend line chart tracks the monthly performance of the top 5 shippers, helping in trend analysis. Let's move on the country of origin tab. This tab provides insights into shipment destinations across countries. Below this can see country summary, where can see the country of origin on the basis of average unit, quantity, value, record count, and tax. Here you can see the relationship in between of buyer and supplier in which country they are dealing with. By clicking left-hand side filters, you can choose any filters. Now can view the top 15 countries by standard quantity and average per unit price. Next, you can see the top 15 countries by value USD and average per unit price. Through this pie chart, you can see top 10 countries by value in USD and standard quantity. Here, you can see top 5 countries' shipments value USD by months. This helps you understand where your shipments are heading and which markets are performing best. This is all about countries of origin. The Time Series tab gives you a yearly, quarter, and monthly summary of shipments, including average unit price, total quantity, total invoice value. You can also view standard quantity and average per unit price USD on different months through this bar chart. Here you can see value USD and average price USD on difference months. Next is, What's New feature compares the last 1 month of trade activity with earlier periods like the previous 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or 24 months. It highlights new buyers, suppliers, HSN codes, countries, and also the ones who have stepped out of the market. It's a quick way to understand what has changed and where new opportunities are appearing. In this, we have selected the 24 months and select the country of origin, then click on Apply button. After applying the Apply button, here you can see the country of origin in past 24 months. These are the list of countries who has been removed and not exporting from the select time frame. That's a complete overview of how to use dashboard graphs and what's new. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you continue exploring Volza to unlock powerful trade insights. Now, if you need more in-depth training, we've got you covered. Go to the home page, locate for Schedule a walkthrough option. Select a convenient date and time for your training session. Once that's done, enter your first name and last name. Then, fill out other details like your business email. Then enter your mobile number and the topics you need assistance with. Once you have filled in all the information, click on Schedule Appointment. Woohoo, there you have it. You're all set for your detailed training session. Thank you for watching this Volza tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to explore all the features.